Hey guys, I'm going to go over this set in a little bit of detail for you. Basically, if you are a route tech and you're looking to chase hail, this is going to be a perfect set for you, or maybe hail just hit your hometown. This is going to be great. Also, if you are already a veteran hail chaser and you're looking for some new brace tools or some great access tools, this is going to be a fantastic set, and I'll try and show you why. I'm just going to start with whatever I grab. These two rods are just a little this is a double bend, and then you have a single bend, and as you can see, they have the ball tips, so they hold everybody's favorite cherry caps. That's what those are designed for. They're great for fenders and areas like that, also under hoods. So that's those rods. Then you're also going to get these three rods, which are double bends, and normally they don't include tips. I'm including tips with it, so you'll get the tank tip, the golf tee tip, and the V tip, super sharp with them. So the theme of this whole set is blue, red, black, okay? And you just remember, as you go to the black, everything's bigger and longer, and as you stick to the blue, it's the shortest. Red's in the middle all the time, okay? So those are the rods. Very stout. So trying to show you, just a little bit of flex, which is it's what you want. To me, they're ideal for that. So there's those rods. The EdgyTools products, you're gonna get 20 of the red cherry caps, which work on the two rods I showed first, as well as on the finger, which is known as the ding ring, which is also going to come, it's just basically a mirror polished stainless steel knockdown that you wear on your finger, and it's going to have 8 other caps as well. So with the cherry caps, you'll basically have 9 different striking abilities with one knockdown. You're going to get a roll of Edgy Tape. You're going to get the new tire tower, which is great for fenders, bedsides, anywhere where there's a lot of hail or large damage. You're going to get a 3-way hanger, and our most popular PDR Accessory of the Year award winner, the hanger. You're going to get the new blending hammer with the interchangeable tips. Pretty sure this side's interchangeable. Maybe that side's not. I'm pretty sure it is, though. It's gotta be. Yeah, I'll have to figure that out. But I won't waste time. So that's gonna come with the tips on there. And then we're also gonna give you the rocket chip tip, the original gator tooth, and the mirror polish tip. Try it later. Now let's get to the brace tools. So these are the most comfortable grips in the industry. The QuickSilver grips, and as you can see, the flags on them, I have them about a 15-degree offset, so that instead of just coming, going straight down the shaft and bending, they're actually offset with the handle, which gives you more room, more power to get at it. So again, that same theme, you're gonna have the blue is gonna be your 1/4 inch, then you're gonna go up, the red's in the middle, and then your black are the big bad boys. What's special about these, besides the ergonomic grips, is I also had them not nickel plated. The nickel plating makes them a little thicker, and it makes them less strong, a little weaker, and it also flakes off as you're shoving it in braces and stuff. It's driving me nuts. So I also had them, when you bend the steel, it actually creates a hump back here that sometimes you can see it, sometimes you can't. But I had them grind that away and then polish the whole thing and pay more attention to the tips, so they'll just push really clean. The reason why you want rid of that hump is if you go to shove it in a tight area, a lot of times that hump will leave a high spot line that you have to go back in and knock down. Or sometimes you don't even see it because it's right in line with your light, and then you'll wind up with a high spot line you gotta go back and fix real carefully after the fact. I'm sure we've all been there. Maybe it's just me. So next we're gonna go to the Aussie tool set. Okay, and if you look at just the end of the sets, you're gonna have that same theme of blue, red, black. Black being the longest, you know, red in the middle, blue is the shortest. And then you're also going to have a signifier on top of there. That's why I had all the handles double colored. So the green is the smaller diameter, and then the yellow is the larger diameter. So that's the only difference in the whole set of knowing the red, blue, red, black theme. Okay. These are the ratcheting handles. They are stainless steel, so you won't ever have to, you know, polish or sand them or anything. They'll look beautiful the whole time. Again, the ratcheting handle makes them fantastic. You can use them as a right or a left or whatever angle you need. So those are killer, these Aussie tool sets. I sent them to my guys to test out. I sent them one set and they all wanted a set. They just loved them and they were fighting over them until they each got their own. So that's that set. Any questions, as always, shoot me an email, dave@edgytools.com. Thanks a lot.